Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun. Today I'm going to show you how to decoke or decarbon on your piston head of your Vespa. As you may know, the Picasso service manual recommend to decoke or clean your carbon deposit here on the piston head and piston crown at every 5,000 kilometers. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very easy and it's very effective to your engine, as it will help your engine clean in the combustion chamber. It's very helpful if you have a very heat engine because of the carbon deposit inside, and it also helps the engine run more smooth in the very long run. So what you have to do is just to take out the piston head here, and I'm going to loosen the nut by crossing number. For example, I'm going to loosen the top right one nut first, and then bottom left, and next top left, and last with the bottom right. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to lose just only about half turn to save the thread. Okay, so now I'm going to lose it all. This method is going to save your cylinder thread poles and also make the surface of the head piston here flatly. The piston has become loose easily, nicely. I'm going to do it for real time so we can see the carbon deposit left over together. Now I can take it out. Okay, and this is how it looks so dirty. Watch your nuts. This is it. I can show you deeply. It's a deposit carbon. We are going to clean it. Also with the piston crown. And the tools that I'm going to clean it, I will start to use the WD-40, a brake cleaner, and a kind of soft brush. This is like a toothbrush, but it's much more harder. I'm not going to use a metal wire or copper wire because it can destroy and make a scratch on the piston crown. And I'm going to start with the WD-40. Let's try, apply. The gun up is quite stuck, quite hard here. And now I'm like halfway of cleaning it. The piston crown, you may see the leftover carbon deposits on the bottom. On the top I cleared it already. And honestly, I moved to using brush to the more harder Scotch Brite. And I'm going to clean it more. Okay, now you can see the difference between before and after, and I'm quite satisfied with this. I'm not going to do it more. And it will take me ripping just about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, very fast. It's not so difficult task. And before I'm going to move to clean the cylinder head, I will lower the piston just a little bit. And you have to rip out some leftover dirt around here, which not so much, because most of the things, the piston ring will save the contaminant to go inside the crankcase. I think I'm quite satisfied and it's quite enough now. So next I'm going to show you how to clean cylinder head. Next, for the cylinder head, I'm going to clean in the tray because this part is contaminated with the residue oil, which I'm going to use to clean with the brush. Here I apply some little benzene to clean this job. As you can see, I'm gonna soak a little bit. Benzene is very good to clean, you see? I just use very soft wire and it's become more clean now. I'm going to blow with the high pressure air gun. And now you can see the difference between new and old before clean and after clean. All the carbon deposit is out. It will make your piston like a new install. And next I'm going to show you how to install it back nicely. Before going to install it back, be sure that your cylinder head surface here is nice and clean and flat. Here too, it should be flat together. In this cylinder head kit, it doesn't recommend to use any cylinder gasket adhesive here, so I'm not going to use, because it's still run with a very low mileage before I clean. So I'm just going to attach it normally, but be sure that you already cleaned this surface before. In general, to put the cylinder head nut or bolts back, you have to be sure how the sequence is come before you going to disassembly. This procedure I forget to tell you, but this one I know it very well because I do the engine rebuild myself. Is go with the washer and then this deep washer, and lock washer and nuts. Mostly it comes with washer, lock washer, and nut. Try to put it back carefully and don't skip this process. And be careful when you tie it back the cylinder head. Try to tie it this sequence, like cross sequence, like before you go into disassembly. And remember, the torque is only 11 to 15 Newton meters. Not so tight, just a hand tight. Cross tightening nut. And remember, maximum about 15 Newton meters you can feel by your hand. After that, you put everything back together, and I'm going to install new spark plug now, and we are going to start. So that's it for the decoking video today. I hope it's easy and simple for you to do DIY tags home for your Vespa. And stay tuned for this channel. There are gonna be more about maintenance topic on the Vespa PX. See you next clip. Bye bye.